Henan Wenyang Lithium Battery Technology Company Limited is located in Hainan Province, China. Wenyang Lithium Battery focuses on the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of traditional and new energy products. Our company provides reliable, efficient, and safe power solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Our main products include household energy storage batteries, rack-mounted batteries, industrial and commercial energy storage, container energy storage, and custom energy storage systems. We focus on high-performance lithium iron phosphate batteries, featuring long cycle life of more than 6,000 cycles, excellent safety performance, and intelligent BMS management. These advantages make our products widely used in solar storage, backup power, microgrids, and off-grid projects. Wenyang Lithium Battery has a modern production base equipped with advanced automated facilities and strict quality control processes. From cell selection, welding, and assembly to final inspection, every detail follows international standards to ensure stability and consistency. With sufficient production capacity and flexible customization, we are capable of meeting bulk orders and diverse market needs. The company boasts a professional management and R&D team and has attained ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certifications. Henan Wenyang Lithium Battery Technology Company Limited sincerely welcomes distributors, project developers, and global partners to cooperate with us. Together, let us create a sustainable and green energy future.